What kind of faith agrees to sacrifice what the heart loves most? What devotion places Allah above blood, tears, and desire? And how did one sacrifice illuminate faith for all time? This is the story of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, the father of prophets and the symbol of pure submission. A man whose faith was tested beyond human limits, a sacrifice that still echoes every Eid al-Adha. Ibrahim alayhi salam grew among idol worshippers in Babylon. He rejected false gods with wisdom and courage. He shattered idols but spared the largest one. Truth angered the tyrant